What is up, you guys? It's Mac, proud owner of Cherry Bomb, and today we are headed to do some camping over in Flagpole Knob, which I've never been to. And this is also a new thing for me. I'm going to try this whole vlog thing, see how it goes, but we're already running a little bit behind schedule, so we got to get packing and get on the road. Let's go. We're gonna go meet Ryan Klein at a CVS. Here we go. Quick update. Can't find Ryan. He's gonna be around here somewhere. Found Ryan, so that's good. All right, we're on the road. We got comms established and we're rolling. Daytime. All whole groups together now, so we've got 5 total vehicles, and now we're headed towards the mountain. We're probably about an hour away from our destination, but we're moving and grooving. There's not too much traffic, but there are some cars, but we're almost there. We are at the trailhead here, it seems. We may have come up on the wrong side, but we're just going to cross over via this trail.
He's up there, and he's like, I was like, how the hell did he get ahead of us?
He's just up here then.
Oh, is he? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, we're...
Yeah.
No, exactly, because I changed mine out for the Tacoma Beast ones.
Alright, it's a little bit chilly up here on the mountaintop. We're gonna go hit a night trail. It's kind of scary, but yeah, we're gonna do that and then come back and set up camp and stuff. Alright guys, we're at a stopping point here on the night trail. I'm gonna go see how everybody's doing. Are we doing in the FJ? Are we doing okay in here?
Hell yeah.
Alright, this is your 2-wheel drive check-in. How are we doing in here?
What's up, man?
We're doing good. Alright, we're at the end of this current trail right now. Getting some pictures for the gram. Let's just get blinded by these light bars real quick. Gentlemen, how was the trail?
Epic.
Sick.
It's because I didn't have my lockers on. That makes sense.
Ryan unfortunately has blown his back left tire, so we are now going to do a trail swap.
What'd you hit?
I have no fucking clue. The twig.
tire, the spare, is on after
It's fixed.
it was an adventure, but we're good to go. Here we
1
go.
inch sidewall blowout, but don't worry.
You know,
Jake blew it up by mouth.
and it's warranted, so we're good.
We're good.
We're about to get some sleep here. Ryan's setting up camp.
Yeah, my really good buddy over there just sitting there watching me set up a tent.
Do you want help? Day 2 up here at Flagpole Knob.
What?
I'm vlogging.
Oh, I'm sorry to interrupt your vlog.
Yeah, that's okay. Ryan has struggling to get up this morning, but
Ryan is?
well, he'll make it.
I was up before you.
Check this out, Ryan hooked me up. We're at that same halfway spot that we were at yesterday. Everything's way different in the light. We're going back at it. Area is like a playground, as they call it, and it's got a bunch of mud holes and stuff.
All the way down in front. After that, I wonder how long that Explorer's been there. Got dealer plates on it.
Here at another stopping point. Just jacking around, having a good time.
Leave it right there.
See, what happened was he tried to go up here, but then he got stuck.
I couldn't hear you at all.
Yeah, well, this is an epic angle.
Outside last night.
Did you?
I slept like this in my sleeping bag and just stared.
That was, I think I opened up both of my tent flaps and I was like, dude, my rain fly blocks it all. Damn it.
Gas station. We're gonna fuel up and then get back on the trail and get back to the campsite.
Yeah, I got this.
Oh, you know what?
Got done with the gas station. Now we're headed on the road back to the trailhead. We are back at the playground area, which is towards the start of the trail if you're going reverse, I guess. So we're trying to catch the sunset.
Just a little bit that way. Straight.
Oh, you're about to drop. Slow down.
You're gonna drop on this side. You're on your slider. Go passenger. Yep. Now straighten out.
We've got about 45 minutes until the sun sets. We just passed the 2/3 point, so looking promising right now.
He's going. Slow and steady. You got this. Smile.
Hi, Mom. Made it. We beat the sunset, even with me getting stuck and everything and all the delays. We made it. Home for the night. Consolidated our campground from 3 to 1. So cars here, and my tent's here, then they've got rooftop. His tent is on the other side, and then his tent, he's got a big one on the other side.
That's what you want to watch when you're on. That's what
End of day 2. We are finally getting to sleep. some of Ricky Bobby though.
Ricky Bobby?
Yeah, that other guy that was here.
Oh yeah.
We are rolling out and we are heading down the mountain to head home. We're not far from the mountain, just here on lunch break, and then we'll keep on rolling. We're about to get on the road. One of our drivers is going all the way up to Connecticut, so we're gonna ride together for a little bit through Virginia, and then he'll split off. Yeah. Final update. Just got home. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was probably a little bit rough, but I had fun with it, so hope you enjoy it. Check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. God bless.